This is what I call fun.
This is New England Science and Sailing. Simply stated, NESS transforms students, preparing them to take charge of their futures. My name is Eric Isselhart, I'm the NESS CEO, and I want to share with you some of the amazing work that NESS does with students every single day. We share the ocean with our community, but many students aren't able to access it. NESS changes that and uses powerful programs to build equity and achievement with underserved learners. NESS empowers students no matter their abilities or financial needs. NESS improves both academic outcomes and life skills. As the only non-school to earn accreditation from the New England Association of Schools and Colleges, NESS reaches as many as 9,000 students annually. Our experiential and standards-based curriculum uses marine science, sailing, powerboating, and adventure sports on the water and in classrooms as learning platforms, opening opportunities for all students. I'm thinking of Natalie, for example, who says NESS is the difference that changed her academics from all F's to all A's. Or Sydney, whose time at NESS led to an interest in marine science and her earning undergraduate and graduate science degrees. One student at a time, NESS is transformational for Natalie, Sydney, and thousands of other students through a joy of learning and the deliberate creation of student agency, taking responsibility for their own education and lives.
Since I love all the science stuff, when I grow up, I want to be a scientist myself.